Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by removing the QR entry point from your profile. First, open TikTok and go to your profile, tap the three dots or hamburger menu. In Settings and Privacy, find Privacy and then look for QR code, business data, or sharing options. These are the controls that expose a scannable link. You do this because QR codes bypass follower checks. Once you've located the QR toggle, prepare to switch it off and review linked accounts or third-party integrations that might regenerate it. Now, you'll disable the actual QR function and clear residual links. Toggle off the QR code or public profile scan options and accept any confirmation. Next, edit your bio to remove short links and unlink accounts like Instagram or YouTube. Those can recreate shareable redirect QR codes. If you have a business or creator profile, inspect contact and share profile settings and turn off any shareable contact points. Make sure to save each change. Otherwise, the QR may remain active despite toggles appearing off. Finish by verifying the QR is truly gone. Log out or use another device to view your profile. Scanning it should not produce a QR result. If the QR still appears, clear the app cache, force close, or reinstall TikTok. Cache settings often persist. If problems persist, switch to a personal account type to remove business-specific sharing features and contact TikTok support for backend removal. One troubleshooting tip: take screenshots of your settings before contacting support so you can show exactly which toggles you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.